So we welcome back again. So this time we are looking at this question by putting alpha equals to log A, beta is equals to log B, gamma is equals to log C in the identity. In the identity we are given alpha into bracket beta minus gamma plus beta into bracket gamma minus alpha plus gamma into bracket alpha minus beta, everything equals to 0. So we should show that this equals to 1. So let's start the question. The question is quite simple. So what we just need to do is to substitute the values we have been given from the question. We have been given that our alpha is equals to log A. So I'll just put that. Then log B minus log C plus log B into log C minus log A plus log C into bracket log A minus log B, everything equals to 0. So now we have this. Now what we can do now again is to remember our law of logarithm. So we have this. Let me put this. This will now have log into bracket B over C plus log B into bracket log C over A plus log C into bracket log A over B, everything equals to 0. Now once you are through like that, you can also now move forward. You can say that this man log B over C, everything in bracket to the power of log A plus log C over A log B log A log B. So we now have log C, everything equals to 0. Now we are almost through. Remember in our law of logarithm. Now the step we took here, let me write it so that you will not look confusing. So if you are given log, let's say n raised to the power of n is the same thing as n log n. That is the concept we have just used in this particular question. So let me put it like this. Is equals to log. So don't forget that is the concept we have just used in this particular step that was carried out. Now the next step we are going to assume that this log has the same base, whether it's base of A and base, let's say base x, that the base of this log is base x. So the base is the same. And when it comes to the law of addition in logarithm, if you are given log, so we are going to use that step. So, okay, let me just write out. So we now have log into bracket B over C. Let's pick this. Okay, let me do it like this. B over C. This will now be log A. Okay, times, and we have this also. C over A log B log A over B log C. So let me put everything in here in a big bracket. So is equals to 0. So what we have done here is we have applied this particular law of logarithm, which I want us to see. If we are given log A plus log B, the same thing as log A AB. So that's what this is all about. That's what we have just done. Because it's addition, we are assuming that the base is the same. That is the concept we have just applied. So the last aspect is, now remember, if you are given log A, let's imagine we are given something like this, just so that you get what I'm trying to explain here. If you are given something like this, let's say our x is to the base and y, everything equals to 0. What we are saying is that this man is the same thing as y is equals to x raised to the power of 0. Now, that is the same thing as 1. So we are saying that y is equals to 1. So if we look at this, that means everything x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we can say invariably that this man, copy, equals to 1. So because we have said log y to base x is equals to 0, and we try to show that y is equals to x raised to the power, so everything equals to 0. So this man, everything here is equals to 1, and that's what we are asked to show. So this man, just to it look like what we are asked to find. Is equals to 1. So this is what we are asked to look to solve in this question, and we have done it. So we have been able to show that's the question, and we have been able to do that. So if you look at it, it tallies with what we are given. So let me copy this so that you will see it clearly. So that is the question. Look at it again. So I hope you enjoy. Go over it. Watch the video as many times, especially until you get our master. So thank you for watching. And so watch out for another video. Try and subscribe to this video, to this channel. Like and share it, and invite your friends. Come and have a nice time while we solve maths. Thank you for watching.